संतो वाइट गुड
Yes, it's absolutely fantastic to see, yes, the beautiful, the gorgeous Udita Goswami, Debina Banerjee, Kishwar Merchant, Neha Bijlani, Chandana Sharma. Take a few steps back, please. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, the moment is here for which all of us have been waiting for. With the count one, let's bring in the Dreamland Rainbow Rex. Go for it. This. Hello ma'am, a warm welcome to you. A warm welcome to Bangalore City. How do you feel today, ma'am? We'd like to know, how does it feel?
It's fantastic for inviting us.
Thank you very much. Miss Udita Goswami, let me have you. Yeah, ma'am, you need no introduction. You're a wonderful actress and of course a DJ as well. Please tell us, how's your experience of being a part of the Dreamland launch with Rainbow Rex at Mall of Asia?
So it's been very nice and this is beautiful. It's a really beautiful installation. I suggest Phoenix, please get this to Bombay. I think our kids in Mumbai would want it too. And it's going to be really nice. You're going to get in a lot of crowd there. You can see something so impressive and massive. I'm sure you're going to get a lot of crowd. And Bangalore is lucky to have such an amazing place.
Thank you, ma'am. Always says Princess Jasmine. How does it feel to be here? Please tell us.
So it feels fantastic. And it's a pleasure to the eyes of the kids. I mean, you can see it from the road, and they just wanted to be near, and now they're so happy seeing. Liana, how big is it?
Also, ma'am, tell us, how does it feel to be at Phoenix?
And so, whenever you come, wear your sports shoes, because otherwise we're going to kill your legs.
Absolutely. Thank you so much.
Oh, it feels great. Also because I have come here for an event, and the event has something to do with kids, and I have a kid now. So मैं पहली बार उसके साथ travel किया है, for an event, so it just feels very nice. And thank you so much, Vandana and Phoenix, of course, for having us here. We love it. You can see how much he's enjoying. मुझे लग रहा था confetti blast होगा, so he'll be scared, but clearly not. Yeah.
What do you have to tell us to all the people of Bangalore?
It feels amazing. I think the kids are going crazy already. And thank you, Vandana, and thank you, Phoenix, for inviting us. And I think we all are going to be have some fun. It's amazing. Thank you so much.
And it's a beautiful mall, and the whole installation is extremely beautiful and so exciting for the kids. They all are having such a wonderful time. So thank you, Vandana and Phoenix, for having us here.
Always a...
Hi Bengaluru, hi everybody who's here and who's been a part of this wonderful setup and making this. Oh my God, this is gorgeous. There's no word. You love it? Yeah. So yeah, it's been great, and my association with Phoenix has been almost 15 to 20 years actually. I have done like almost 30-40 events with him. Out of that, 10 events have been all about mommies and babies. I started doing a lot of mother and kid events, particularly because ever since I got my son, I look for opportunities which have interactions and fun element for the kids. Nothing can be as fun as this, and we want this in Mumbai. Mumbai. Are you hearing us, Phoenix Malls? We want this in Mumbai. And thank you to all my lovely friends who have been a part of this. Tejaswani, Udita, Devunya, and
So every year we create this holiday land in Phoenix, Market City, Whitefield. We have tied up with Universal Studios in Singapore. We have tied up with Toki Doki this year. We have done trolls there. But Mall of Asia just started in October, and this year we thought.
Asia. Like they said, it is fun and frolic. Hustling. It only gets bigger and better. Only at the Phoenix Mall of Asia, where the Dreamland Rainbow Rex.